ready for the next phonics lesson? I hope you're excited. I am. Today, we're gonna look at 3 more letters. Now, do you remember what letter comes after the letter L? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. That's right, M. And what sound does M make? Did you get it? Yes. That's right. Very good. And do you know a word that starts with M? I'll give you a clue. Look at me. It goes like this. What's that? Do you know? Yes, it's a monkey. Well done. And another word with what could it be? What's this? That's right, well done. Did you get it? Mouth. Mouth. Well done. And there's one more. And do you know who it is? She might be watching with you now. It's your favorite person. Who is it? It's Mummy. That's right. Yes, it's our Mummy. Can you see our Mummy? Very good. Okay, now we have to sing a little song with this, but first I want you to do the words with me again, okay? Can you say monkey? Good job. And can you say mouth? Did you say that? Be careful. Mouth, not mouth. You have to say mouth. Good job. And what about mummy? Did you get it? Okay, excellent. That's very, very good. Now, we're going to do our little song about it today. Are you ready? Can you say is for monkey, monkey? Can you do that? Well done. And can you do is for mouth, mouth? Oh, good job. And can you say is for mummy, mummy? Oh, well done. These are the sounds that the letter M makes. Okay? Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go.
Is for monkey, monkey. Is for mouth, mouth. Is for mummy, mummy. These are the sounds that the letter M makes. Did you do that too? That's very good. Shall we try it one more time? One more time. This time, everyone together. Okay? Don't forget. And you can get your mummy to sing with you too. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. Is for monkey. Monkey. Is for mouth. Mouth. Is for mummy. Mummy. These are the sounds that the letter M makes. Ta-da! Did you get that? Well done. Shall we try the words one more time before we stop? Are you ready? Monkey. Did you do that? Good job. And mouth. Well done. And mummy. Yes. Okay, now it's time to do the next letter. What comes after the letter M? Makes a sound like an aeroplane. Do you know that one? That's right, the letter N. And what sound does it make? What sound? Yes! Very good. And what words start with the letter N? Oh, I know one. Look, what's this? That's right, nose. Well done. Yes, and I've got a red nose. Yes, nose. And what other word starts with the letter N and the sound? I know, it's where the birds stay. Do you know where birds stay? In a nest. That's right, like this, nest. Good job. And then what number starts with Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, not 7. Yes, did you get it? Yes, that's right. 9. Well done, yes. So we've got nose, nest, and 9. Yes. Shall we sing the phonics song that goes with it? Are you ready? We'll do it one time and then we'll do it again all together. Are you ready? Is for nose. Nose. Is for nest. Nest. Is for nine. Nine. These are the sounds that the letter N makes. Did you get that? Right, this time I want everyone to sing with me, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Is for nose. Nose. Is for nest. Nest. Is for nine. Nine. These are the sounds that the letter N makes. Well done! Oh, that was brilliant. We have one more letter for today. Can you guess what it is? We did M. We did N. And what's next? That's right! O. The letter O. And what sound does the letter O make? What? That's right. O. Oh! Well done!
Okay.
And who can think of a word that starts with O? Did you say that? With 8 arms and legs? That's right. Octopus. Octopus. Very good. And another one is a bird, a very big bird with very big eggs. But he can't fly. Do you know this one? Like this? That's right. Ostrich. Well done, ostrich. And the last one is when people sing like this. La 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 la. What's that? Oh, no, sorry. What's that? Opera. Very good. Yes, excellent. Okay. Oh, now opera makes me want to sing a phonics song. Are you ready to sing the phonics song? Yes. Okay. Let's go. O is for octopus. Octopus. O is for ostrich. Ostrich. O is for opera. Opera. These are the sound that the letter O makes. Did you do that? Try again with me. This time, everybody, even the mummies and daddies. Okay? Are you ready? And sing it like an opera. Okay? Ready? O is for octopus. Octopus. O is for ostrich. Ostrich. O is for opera. Opera. These are the sounds that the letter O makes. Ta-da! Did you do it too? Did you sing like an opera? Oh, very good. Okay, well today we did M, N, and O. And that's it for today. Come back for the next one when we'll be doing the next 3 letters in the alphabet. And don't forget to like our Coaching English Facebook page, comment in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and go to our online brilliant, amazing English lessons. Okay? I'll see you soon. Bye bye.